Hi guys, this is Paras from Silphy Enterprises. Today I will tell you basic functionalities and describe about menu in Silphy application like employee addition, attendance marking using various options, advance and salary entry, and how to download reports. For doing all the activities in Silphy, please download and install Silphy HRMS from Play Store and log in using mobile number. You will receive an OTP on same number. Enter the OTP and verify the same. Once you log in, you will get tutorials. Just read them and click on next button to pass on to the next tutorial. After that, you will get a screen as showing in video. First activity in Silphy application is to fill company information and set attendance rules. Just go to menu as showing on top left corner by 3 horizontal lines. Click on company as showing at the bottom of menu. Here you can fill details like company attendance rules. You can set geofence location of company, night attendance, overtime rules, and address details. After setting all the rules, click on save company information to save. All these parameters are filled with industry defaults. You may change them or leave them as it is. App's behavior and reporting will be depending on these parameters. Next step is to add employee, but there are two things. Employee addition is required if you wish to add employee of your company, school or household, etc. If you are employee, all these activities should have been done by your manager or admin. Now you can add employee in two ways, from home page and from menu. Click on add employee button to add any new employee. Enter employee name and mobile number. Mobile number is mandatory if you want to provide self-attendance and inform them through WhatsApp, else just save by employee name only. If you want to enter more details, then click on details button as showing. You will redirect to a new form. Here you can fill details like date of joining, date of birth, attendance type, in and out or single punch. You can set attendance rules for any employee. You can enter salary of employee, daily salary, monthly salary or item based payment. Also you can enter address detail of employee. Click on save employee information to save. By doing this, we will ask you to send a WhatsApp to employee. Are you want to provide self attendance to employee? If yes, then click yes, else no. If in a particular case, if you only wish to track only your attendance without anyone has asked you to do so, you can directly go to your team attendance and start marking in owner or admin. If you want to update any employee, then go to menu, click on employee. To add any new employee, click on above add button to add any new employee. Enter details of employee and click on save employee information. If you want to update, select any employee from drop down menu. Enter or update details of employee and click on save employee information. There are 4 ways to mark attendance of any employee: team attendance, monthly attendance, punch attendance from menu and self attendance. In team attendance, you will see complete list of all employees. You can search any employee by name. If you want to mark attendance, then click on in time, then a clock will open and set in time of employee, same for out time. Also you can enter employee previous day's attendance, like click on date and month select any date for which you want to mark attendance. As in and out time entered, total time and overtime will automatically set. If you want to change total time and overtime manually, just click on overtime or total time, set time accordingly. If you don't want to enter in and out time, then click on present, absent, leave, half day, holiday, any status for any employee. If any employee is not entitled for overtime, then overtime field will not show, as you can see. If any employee is quantity based, then you can enter quantity delivered by employee. Now another way to mark attendance is punch attendance. Just go to menu, click on punch attendance. Here also you will see complete employees list, same as team attendance. Select employee and change date, and by click on punch in and punch out, you can mark attendance of employee. Next, go to menu again, click on monthly attendance. Just click on any date, click on present, absent, leave, whatever you want. By swiping left, you can change month and you can maintain last month attendance too. Next is self attendance. While employee login using own mobile number, then they will get one card only, that is self attendance. They will click on self attendance and can mark attendance by using in and out button. Whenever they will mark attendance, you will get employee location, selfie and time. If you want to enter break time of employee, then go to menu, click on break time, search any employee, enter start time and end time of break, select break type, personal or official, click on save button to save. To view daily attendance report, go to home, click on dashboard. Here you can view all employees attendance for a particular date, and you can change date and view attendance. If you want to view reports, go to menu, click on attendance summary. Here you can download reports like attendance, salary, overtime, date wise details. For any month, you can change month here. You can download payslip, click on payslips. Payslip will open on your screen. Also, you can maintain advance of employee. Just go to menu, click on advance, select employee name, enter select date, enter amount given, and add remarks if you want to add. Click on add button to save. Click on save button to save. To fetch advance report, go to menu, click on attendance summary, click on drop down, click on advance. You will get advance report on your screen. You can download by click on this button. For any query, please feel free to reach me 8708940688 or 9810615613. Thank you.